Index funds. Explained for beginners, the easiest way to build wealth. Imagine investing in hundreds of companies with a single investment. Imagine not needing to pick the next winning stock. And imagine building wealth without spending hours studying the market. Sounds impossible? It isn't. It's called index fund investing, and many experts consider it one of the simplest ways for ordinary people to build long-term wealth. An index fund is a collection of many different stocks bundled together. Instead of buying shares in just one company, you buy small ownership in dozens or even hundreds of companies at once. This creates diversification, and diversification helps reduce risk. One company can fail, but hundreds of companies failing together is much less likely. That's why many investors prefer index funds. They don't need to predict which stock will become the next superstar. They simply invest in the broader market. Many people think investing requires large amounts of money, but the real secret isn't starting big. It's starting consistently. Small investments made every month can grow significantly over time, especially when compounding begins to work. Compounding is when your money earns returns, and those returns begin earning returns too. It's like planting a tree. At first, growth seems slow, but over time, it becomes powerful. This is why starting early matters so much. Many beginners chase hot stocks. They buy when prices are high and panic when prices fall. Index fund investors often avoid this trap. Their focus is long-term growth, not short-term excitement. The stock market does not reward perfection. It rewards patience. The people who build wealth are often not the smartest investors. They are the most consistent. You don't need to be a financial genius. You don't need thousands of dollars. And you don't need to predict the future. Sometimes the most powerful strategy is also the simplest. Are you already investing, or are you planning to start? Comment below. Like this video. Subscribe for simple investing and wealth building content. And remember, small investments today can create a very different future tomorrow.